Driver who stopped to help when truck carrying 100 lab monkeys crashed in Pennsylvania and put her hand in one of the cages says she now has a cough and pink eye after one of the macaques hissed in her face.
Oh.
What a headline. Man, when you get into the Daily Mail side of the internet, it's a whole different set of rules, the way they write it. Mm-hmm. The headline is a paragraph, and then the subheadings are all bold. It's like, where is the article?
Yeah.
They got their own rules. Woman who stopped to help monkeys in a truck crash is now feeling unwell. So she was basically driving behind a truck full of monkeys. Mm-hmm. Why was there a truck full of monkeys?
Lab
monkeys. Perfect. Sound like a beginning of a movie or something. Mm-hmm. So they crashed. The monkeys are out there, and she approached. Apparently, she claims she gets sick from one of them. She's begun a course of antiviral drugs to prevent rabies. The last of the 4 escaped monkeys were accounted for by late Saturday. Oh, man.
So they're all caught, right?
Pennsylvania,
There's no one
Pennsylvania residents have been warned not to engage a crab-eating macaque that escaped from a truck carrying. So they put a notice out. If you see the monkey, do not engage.
Oh, so there's one that's out there.
No, he's caught too, I think.
Oh, okay.
He or her or whatever. Crates with live monkeys inside were strewn across State Route 54 in Danville, 130 miles from Philadelphia after the crash. A witness said he thought he saw a cat run across the road before making the shocking... This is like a Disney movie. The cat runs across the road and the monkeys get set free. Like the cat was meaning to do what it did.
Yeah.
So the driver goes to steer to avoid the cat, and the cat's like...
in hilarious fashion.
Exactly. And then the monkeys... although I'm sure it's not funny at all, probably some of those monkeys were cooked. Like not actually cooked, but just dead.
Yeah.
How are you going to crash with 100 of them and they're all in good shape after they said they're accounted for, but does that mean alive? No, probably not. She said, I was close to the monkeys. I touched the crates. I walked through their feces. I was very close. I called a helpline to inquire. Was I safe? Because the monkey did hiss at me and there were feces around and I did have an open cut. Oh my God, this is a terrible scenario right here, whatever's going on. This is her here?
Yeah. Would you do this? If you see like a truck that's been crashed and monkeys are all over the place, would you try to help?
What?
What can you do? That's what I'm trying to say.
I assume she's trying to get to the driver more so than the monkeys. So I might go try to help the driver, but the monkeys themselves, I'm not going to try to wrangle them. I don't even know. I don't have any information about these animals. But maybe that's what she was doing. Maybe she was trying to get to the driver if the driver was injured.
But wouldn't you say that in this article? Because it seems to me like she's trying to rescue the monkeys.
This is the Daily Mail. What can you... What a day. I tried to help out in an accident scene. Was told there were cats in the crates, so I go over to pet them to find out it's monkeys. Then I notice there are 3 in each, and I was completely broken. This is, wow, the way this is written, this Facebook post. The other was half broken, so I knew 4 got away. So come home, go to bed. My aunt runs into new crew, was asked to do What? What is this writing? Then find out not to get close to monkey. We tried to pet one. I touched the creates.
Is this a symptom of being bit by one of these monkeys here?
And walk in poop. Then was told to Met police at the scene to talk about exposure. News crew was I thought they were CDC, so I to them. Wow, she is out of it. She must be on medication or something going on here. End up doing interviews, talk to police and a lady. I'm getting a letter.
Oh boy.
Symptoms are COVID. Like seriously, a day from hell. So she thought she was saving cats by it's tough to decode that message, but She thought she was saving cats going up to the crates, but they were monkeys. She got hissed at, and then she thinks she got COVID from a monkey, essentially.
Yeah.
They look pretty tidy in the crates.
I think this is the repacking.
Oh, okay. But
of
I
the
agree.
monkeys.
I agree with your apprehension. For me, if the thing is crashed, I'm going to focus my attention mostly on the driver and less so on the animals in the crates. But I don't know, man. When it's going down, you don't know what you're going to look at, and maybe you're walking up, and then all of a sudden you're like, "Damn!"
Accidentally.
And you just like look at the thing, you're like, "Whoa, there's a monkey in there," and then it already hissed at you, and you're already dead, and you're already rabies and COVID and whatever else.